10 reasons why financial planning is important. Financial planning helps you determine your short and long-term financial goals and create a balanced plan to meet those goals. Here are 10 powerful reasons why financial planning, with the help of an expert financial advisor, will get you where you want to be. Income. It's possible to manage income more effectively through planning. Managing income helps you understand how much money you'll need for tax payments, other monthly expenditures, and savings. Cash flow. Increase cash flow by carefully monitoring your spending patterns and expenses. Tax planning, prudent spending, and careful budgeting will help you keep more of your hard-earned cash. Capital. An increase in cash flow can lead to an increase in capital, allowing you to consider investments to improve your overall financial well-being. Family security. Providing for your family's financial security is an important part of the financial planning process. Having the proper insurance coverage and policies in place can provide peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Investment. A proper financial plan considers your personal circumstances, objectives, and risk tolerance. It acts as a guide in helping choose the right types of investment to fit your needs, personality, and goals. Standard of living. The savings created from good planning can prove beneficial in difficult times. For example, you can make sure there is enough insurance coverage to replace any lost income should the family breadwinner become unable to work. Financial understanding. Better financial understanding can be achieved when measurable financial goals are set, the effects of decisions understood, and the results reviewed, giving you a whole new approach to your budget and improving control over your financial lifestyle. Assets. A nice cushion in the form of assets is desirable, but many assets come with liabilities attached, so it becomes important to determine the real value of an asset. The knowledge of setting or canceling the liabilities comes with the understanding of your finances. The overall process helps build assets that don't become a burden in the future. Savings. It used to be called savings for a rainy day, but sudden financial changes can still throw you off track. It is good to have some investments with high liquidity. These investments can be utilized in times of emergency or for educational purposes. Ongoing advice. Establishing a relationship with a financial advisor you can trust is critical to achieving your goals. Your financial advisor will meet with you to assess your current financial circumstances and develop a comprehensive plan customized for you. This article is provided as a general source of information and should not be considered personal financial or investment advice or solicitation. The information contained in this article was obtained from sources believed to be reliable. It is copyrighted to Blue Shore Financial.